Leader wetu, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua.
Thank you. Asanteni, tafadhali tuketi. Kenya hoye. DCP hoye. DCP. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much and most welcome. I have a very short address to make. Dear Kenyans, we gather here today to unveil the DCP candidates for the various by-elections that we have in the country on 27th of November 2025. On behalf of our party, DCP, I congratulate all the candidates we have here for the bold step they have taken to this level. We know majority of them have been offered bribes, others have been intimidated, but we have people who are courageous and who have chosen to stand with their principles. I also wish to thank and greatly appreciate the people of the Republic of Kenya for their continued support of our candidates across the nation. We are certain that we shall carry the day in the areas where we have fielded candidates. The party will not spare any effort or resources to ensure that a win is secured. We shall be in every village, in every homestead, and we shall engage every Kenyan individually. I wish to commend our National Elections Board for the commendable exercise they have done to this day. We have the greatest hope that our candidates will carry the day, and they have been actively engaging the people and listening to them, as is the philosophy of our party. In Magarini constituency Coast region, we have a resilient candidate, Honorable Stanley Karisa Kenga, who has met the brutality of one William Ruto under the oppressor's party, whose betrayal can be told through Stanley Karisa Kenga and myself. Kenga was rigged out in the 2022 general elections and purportedly lost by 21 votes only. Stanley Kenga, who I'll unveil today, I was with him, and his story is one of resilience. When he was rigged out and purported to have lost by 21 votes, he sought for justice, and I encouraged him. I was in UDA then. And he went to the High Court, and the High Court nullified the election and ordered a repeat. The men who rigged him out went to the Court of Appeal. The Court of Appeal upheld the decision of the High Court that Kenga was rigged out and there should be a by-election. The competitor went to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court again upheld the decision of both the High Court and the Court of Appeal and nullified the election and ordered a by-election. Kenga then was told by William Ruto to start campaigning. He has been campaigning for the last 1 year. When these by-elections were called, I looked for him. And I told him, William Ruto will betray you. Kenga did not believe it. He said, how can he? He encouraged me to file a petition and was with me throughout and has asked me to campaign. I don't believe you. I think, Rigiji, you are being malicious. I told him, you don't know William Ruto. The guy will throw you under the bus. And sure as December 25 is Christmas, when the time came, William Ruto called Kenga, the guy who actually won the election in 2022, and the front runner in the by-election, and the man who will be the MP for Magarini, and told him that he had conceded Magarini to Raila Odinga under the broad-based arrangement, and he should step down, and he should not contest. Kenga cried before William Ruto and asked him, how can you abandon me? We have been with you through the journey. I stood with UDA. It was not popular in Magarini. I won. I was rigged out. You encouraged me to fight for justice all the way to the Supreme Court. It is me who occasioned this by-election. How can you ask me to step out? An election that I have occasioned through an election petition. And I'm the one who won this seat. Ruto told him, I don't care. All that matters to me today is to keep Raila close to me, because without Raila, I cannot govern. So you must allow me to allow Raila run an ODM candidate in Magarini. So this young man came looking for me. He told me, Rigiji, you told me. I told him, I told you. Pole. I was also in the same shoes earlier on. People had told me this man would betray anybody. And I told him, Usijali, we have a new home. A great home, the DCP. I want to ask the people of Magarini to reject betrayal, to reject the humiliation of their son by one William Ruto. They must do the right thing. They must also humiliate William Ruto by electing Stanley Kenga to be the MP for Magarini. I think this politics of betrayal and deception must come to an end. The politics of betrayal, conmanship, deception must come to an end. And since 2027 is far away, we have a good opportunity in Magarini for the people of Magarini to say no to the politics of conmanship, betrayal, and deception. So, today, I want to unveil our candidate for DCP in Magarini constituency, Kilifi County, Coast Region, who will win the seat with a landslide majority. One Stanley Karisa Kenga. Asante sana. Na hiyo certificate weke mzuri, Kasongo asiibe. Huyu Kasongo tunamjua. Kenga oi. Kenga oi. This is our candidate for Magarini. He is actually the guy who won the seat last election. And the courts confirmed. And the people of Magarini had decided he's the MP then. And the people of Magarini will once more confirm their preferred member of parliament, one Stanley Karisa Kenga. Pigieni makofi. Please sit down. If anyone has the resilience, the energy, and the strong will and spirit to seek justice for the people, it is Stanley Karisa Kenga. For the last 3 years, he has been in courts. This was not about him. It was about the people of Magarini. That party, the Yellow Wheelbarrow, which has betrayed 15 million Kenyans, was at it again. Threw Stanley Kenga under the bus, but here at DCP, he has a new home. Congratulations, Kenga, and we shall be with you every step all the way. I call upon the people of Magarini to give Stanley Kenga a chance to occupy the seat that he won in 2022. He has been with you in the corridors of justice and serving you for the better part of his life as your representative. Stanley holds a bachelor's degree in public management from the KCA University and a diploma in business administration. He served as a councillor between the year 2007 and 2013 and an MCA for 10 years between 2013 and 2022. He also served as the deputy speaker from 2017 to 2022. I am sure we have the best candidate for Magarini. Equally, we are also fielding candidates in various county assembly seats. We have David Wanyoike Waroe, Kariobangi North, Nairobi County. We have Dominic Gesora Kongo, Ekerenyo Ward in Nyamira County. We have Dixon Aduda Okwiri, Kiza East in Kakamega County. We have Abdurrashid Sirat Kethie in Fafi, Garissa County. We have Douglas Twala Maskonde, Narok Township, Ward in Narok County. We have Tanare Tipatet Saidimu, Purko Ward in Kajiado County. And we have Nyonga Tabwe Soil, Nyamaiya Ward in Nyamira County. Finally, I want to appreciate all the delegates gathered here today. I will tell you one thing. You have chosen to be with the people. When history of our nation will be written, you will feature prominently. To all our candidates whom we officially unveiled today, I urge courage and hard work. Please be humble and listen to the people. And be firm. We had a very strong candidate in Banisa who was going to be the next member of parliament. William Ruto summoned him and threatened him, intimidated him, and forced him to withdraw from the race. And we said it's okay. Not every leader has the courage that we have to withstand the intimidation and torment of William Ruto. Very few leaders can. I'm happy that you here, you join me in being courageous leaders who cannot be intimidated by anybody. The DCP party remains strong and committed to its philosophy, and despite the attacks and intimidation from the cruelest Ruto regime, you are aware, it's only DCP meetings that are disrupted in the entire country. Because William Ruto knows that is the party that will send him home. We are his greatest obstacle. Yeah? And every Kenyan knows that one party that is truly one term is DCP. Isn't it? So don't worry about these intimidations. We continue to do meetings. This afternoon I'll be in Bisil in Kajiado Central. Monday will be in Kitui. The other week will be everywhere. Getting elected as president is about political mobilization. Many people may want to spend a lot of time in hotels and boardrooms discussing theories. I am a very experienced politician who have delivered 2 presidents to this country. And I know how to make a president. There is no president you will make in a boardroom. Presidents are made in the field. Sindio? So, sisi ni watu ya mashinani. And you must go and mobilize people and inspire them. And you must have content. People must remember what you say 1 month down the line. That is how you become a president. So, sisi tuko hapo. Na tunasukuma ground. And I want to encourage all of you. Mukitoka hapa murudi kwa ground. There are 5 options on how you get elected as an MCA, MP, senator, governor, or president. Option number 1, ground. Option number 2, ground. Option number 3, ground. Option number 4, ground. Option number 5, ground. There is no other formula. Unajua mimi naona watu wako na mastori mingi. Ati unafikiri ukiweka picha ya mtu ate kwa social media he can be president. Ati unaweka picha the 6th. That cannot make you president. You must go out there and mobilize numbers. And you must inspire the people of Kenya. If they admire you, you must translate that admiration to votes. If they believe in your philosophy, you must convert that belief into votes. That can only be done by aggressively going to the people and mobilizing them to agree to back you for whatever position that you want. So all of those of us who are in DCP, our slogan is Sikiza Wake. Please, please, please. We don't want to hear you in Nairobi unless you contest here. Wale watu tunataka hii town ni ile watu wana contest hapa Nairobi. Hata mimi naishi hapa Nairobi 2 days a week. Nakuja kuoga nini nikae mtu ya town. Lakini mimi ni mtu ya mashinani. I have no business in this city unless I'm looking for a seat here. So mimi nakuwa Nairobi 2 days in a week nikitafuta kura hapa Nairobi. then lazima niende mashinani. And I want to encourage all of you, please stay to the ground. Msidanganywe na mtu ati hii mtandao kuna pahali itapeleka wewe. Hii mtandao ni mzuri ikitangaza pahali ulikuwa kwa ground. The relevance of online space is to inform people where you are on the conversation must be ground. You are mobilizing people on the ground. And then the online space is very important to capture your activities on the ground. But ukiwa huko kwa mtandao uendi ground, shauri yako. Usikuje kulia kwangu ukikosa nomination. Yeah? Sindio? Hata kama wewe ni rafiki yangu, kama uendi ground, mimi sina urafiki na wewe. Tukae marafiki, tutembeleane, birthday ya watoto, hiyo ni sawa. Lakini mambo ya siasa, if you want to be my friend and to be close to me, you must stay on the ground. Na hakuna formula ingine. Let us stay on the ground. That is the only way. Na ndio sisi sasa tunaenda Bisil. Tuko na mkutano huko ya 20,000 tunaenda kuzungumza na mashemeji yetu huko. Na kuwapatia maneno mpaka masikio ikuwe moto. Si ndio? So mkue tukae hapo. So mimi nataka kuuliza kwa heshima huyu kiongozi wetu, our candidate for Magarini. Tumkaribishe kwa heshima, kwa makofi, akuja tuzungumzie.
Basi mheshimiwa kiongozi wetu na viongozi wote wa DCP ambao tumekusanyika hapa, Wakenya wenzangu, Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Asalamu alaikum. Hamjambo. DCP oye. Naomba kuchukua nafasi ya kwanza niweze kumshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa hii nafasi ya kipekee ambayo ametupatia ili tuweze kujumuika pamoja nanyi siku hii ya leo. Nataka nishukuru sana kwamba wakati milango ilipofungwa ile ng'ambo ya pili, hapa DCP muliweza kutufungulia milango, mukatupokea na kutukaribisha ili tujisikie kwamba tuko nyumbani. Siku hii ya leo tunashukuru kwa sababu mmepeana nafasi ya jamii ya Magarini tuweze kuwa kwa debe kwa hii by election ambayo inakuja tarehe 27 mwezi wa 11. Nilipoulizwa kwamba nitoke kwa kinyang'anyiro, nilisema wacha nikasikize Wakenya kule Magarini. Na niliporudi ground, Wakenya wa Magarini wakanambia tutafute vile tutakuwa kwa debe. Na ndio tukaweza kuzungumza na party leader, naibu party leader, secretary na viongozi wengine, na leo ndio tumefika hapa kwa makaribisho yenu. Sisi tunashukuru sana, na nataka niwaahidi tukiwa hapa kwamba tunaporudi mashinani sisi hatutalala. Tutang'ang'ana usiku mchana kuhakikisha kwamba hii kiti tunaileta nyumbani kwa DCP. Na najua tukiwa kwa viongozi hawa mtatushika mkono na tutatembea na nyinyi. Asanteni sana.
Pia tuko na candidate wetu wa Malava constituency, wakili Edgar Busiega, kuja salimia.
DCP, sikiza Wakenya, mkawazima wote. Asante. Kwa majina naitwa Edgar Busiega. Nashukuru sana kuwa hapa. Mimi ndo napeperusha bendera ya chama cha DCP kule Malava. Mko tayari kutembea kule mnisaidie? Mko tayari kuja kule? Wakili Muriu, utakuja kule? Naomba mtembee kule ground. Tumechapa kazi kule ground. Na tunajaribu kuhakikisha kwamba chama cha DCP ni chama cha kitaifa. Tumeingia kule Malava na deputy party leader wetu ametusupport sana. Ile ambalo nitaomba hapa ni ya kwamba wakati party leader wetu atakaa kwa ile meza United Opposition, watu wetu wa DCP tuhakikishe sisi ndo tutabaki pale kupeperusha ile bendera. Mnanisikia watu wangu? Asanteni sana.
Then tuko na candidate wetu wa Kariobangi North, David Wanyoike Waroe.
DCP, mimi ndio Wanyoike wa DCP, na ninakaribisha viongozi hapa kutoka huko kwenye wametoka. Karibuni Nairobi. Mimi niko na mambo mbili tu. Wala watu wa wheelbarrow wako na pesa na kasongo. Mimi niko na Mungu, niko na Rigiji, niko na kura na niko na nyinyi, si ndio? Na ninawakaribisha nyinyi wote Kariobangi, na ninawahakikishia hii kiti tutachukua. Asanteni sana, mbarikiwe.
Thank you very much. So candidates wetu, muende mchape ground, tutatuma viongozi wasaidie. Alafu ground ikiiva kabisa muniambie nikuje. Ndio nikuje ninyoroshe bahali imebaki. Si ndio? Na tuko hapo. Na siasa hapana harusi. Na hapana kanisa. Ni kunyoroshana, si ndio? So sisi tuko hapo na tunaendelea vizuri. So tuko na members yetu ya National Elections Board, msimame tuwapigie makofi, they have done a good job. NEB, pigieni makofi. Thank you very much for the good job you have done, asanteni. Tuko na wale member ya NEC wanatusaidia kuendesha chama, simameni, wapigieni makofi. Asante. Tuko na wajumbe wetu wale wametushikilia, hawajatoka DCP lakini hawajatoka UDA kisheria, lakini roho zao ukiwakata damu ni DCP. Haya wajumbe wetu simameni, mwapigie makofi. Asanteni sana. Thank you. Please sit down. So thank you very much wale wamefika, tumeshukuru sana, Mungu awabariki. Let us keep the party growing and as a party. Niliona juzi there was an opinion poll ilifanywa. The actual results sisi tulikuwa naongoza Kenya at 22%. Followed by ODM at 16 and Kasongo at 9. Kasongo akaenda akapindua, akasema ati head yako mbele na sisi tuko nyuma. But it's okay, wacha yeye aendelee na hiyo, wacha sisi tusukume ground. Wacha ajifurahi. Asanteni sana, may God bless you. Thank you.